What are we doing?
So she's gonna play the ukulele, she's gonna sing,
And he's gonna dance.
and I'm gonna dance. Alright.
Okay. Like Jeffrey!
Failed in class.
Matt, get in the video.
Failed in class.
Alright, so this is Matt.
No.
His MySpace will be down
Deleted.
Down.
That way. No, this way.
No, the info thing is down there now.
Really?
Yeah.
Down here. What's your Tumblr?
It'll be down there too.
Down there. Mine will be down there. Natasha doesn't have a
Mine
Tumblr.
should be like somewhere over.
She has MySpace, but I never see it.
Matt's gonna be right here. Right here.
Get me.
Okay.
That's not homo.
So, she's texting in the video. What are you doing?
Texting. They're playing Call of Duty over there.
Are you gonna talk?
I don't know, talk. Did we even do introductions? We didn't even do an introduction. Oh, I'm Karina. That is Sailor Moon.
Say Sailor Moon, you know.
That's Chowder.
I'm Chowder. Trying to get my contact.
Chico.
Pikachu.
Mom asked.
Hey, where you at?
Shake your head, shake your head.
I wanted to get my contact. My card.
Wow, and he was complaining that you were texting in the video, and he was talking on the phone.
Just make faces. Just make weird faces. Jeffrey, do your pretty face. Do your pretty face.
What pretty face?
Your pretty face. Or do that face Alex does when he's like this and he looks like that.
Oh, I'll try it.
Just make this funny.
Alright, then.
Why is the music thing so high?
Because there's music around us, sound everywhere.
This hat is floating.
Can't even see it.
I know.
We need a new video.